Welcome to this guide on replacing the key fob battery in 2016-2022 Chevy Spark models. This is a straightforward DIY task that can save you both time and money compared to taking it to a dealership. You'll need a standard CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool. Chevy Spark key fobs from 2016-2022 come in two main styles that affect how you open them for battery replacement. The first type, found in 2016-2018 models, uses an internal screw to secure the back cover. The second type, in 2019-2022 models, uses an external clip mechanism. To identify your type, look at the back of the fob. If you see a small screw in the center, it's the internal screw type. If the back pops open with a clip, it's the external clip type. This identification helps you choose the correct opening method for safe battery replacement. To open your Chevy Spark key fob, first locate the seam or screw. For screw-style fobs, use a small screwdriver to carefully remove it by turning counterclockwise. For clip-style fobs, insert a flat tool like a pry tool or butter knife into the seam and gently apply pressure to separate the halves. Always work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Now that the fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. You'll see a small silver coin cell battery positioned with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old battery. Pay attention to the polarity. The positive side should be facing up. If it's stuck, use a small screwdriver to gently pry it loose. For battery alternatives, consider rechargeable CR2032 options from brands like Panasonic or Energizer. These can last longer and are more eco-friendly than disposable batteries. Step 2 is complete. Take the new CR2032 lithium battery and ensure the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing up. Gently place it into the battery compartment, making sure it sits securely and flat. Now that the new battery is installed, it's time to reassemble the key fob. Start by aligning the two halves of the fob, making sure the buttons and edges match up perfectly. Gently snap the two halves back together, ensuring they click securely into place. If your fob has a screw, reinsert it into the hole and tighten it securely using a small screwdriver. Make sure it's snug but not over-tightened to avoid damaging the plastic. Finally, double-check that the fob is properly closed and all edges are aligned. Test by pressing the buttons to ensure everything is secure. After reassembling the key fob, it's time to test it. Start by pressing each button on the fob and check that the LED indicator lights up brightly for each press. Next, test the vehicle's lock and unlock functions. Stand within 30 feet of the car, then press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Make sure the car doors lock and unlock as expected. If the key fob still doesn't work after testing, try these troubleshooting steps. First, double-check that the battery is installed with the positive side facing up. Second, make sure the battery contacts are clean and free of debris. Third, refer to your owner's manual for instructions on reprogramming the fob through the vehicle's system. Finally, if available on your model, use the My Chevrolet app's Key Fob Health Check feature. Connect via Bluetooth to test the fob's battery life. If the effective range drops below 10 to 15 feet, it's time for a battery replacement. Here are some final tips for successful key fob battery replacement. Always work on a clean, dry surface to avoid static or contamination. Avoid touching the circuit board with bare hands to prevent oil transfer. Dispose of old batteries responsibly at electronics recycling centers. Remember that DIY repairs aren't suitable for everyone. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with electronics, seek professional assistance. Looking ahead, future trends include battery-free key fobs that harvest energy from use and subscription-based diagnostics that monitor fob health remotely.